All right, today take a look at the KOOTION 128GB high-speed microSD card. This also comes with a USB-A adapter, so we don't have to buy anything. We can have everything we need to transfer those files to our computer. It does have all the proper markings. It does say it's a KOOTION Pro. It is a U3A1V30. And the USB adapter just has a cap on the end to protect it, so I like seeing that. And a slot in the back for the microSD card. Let's plug this in and see how well it does. Okay, so for the sequential 1MB, we got 8 process, 1 thread at 78.75 megabytes per second read. So that's perfectly acceptable. That's on par with what I would expect out of a full USB thumb drive. At about 40 megabytes per second write, but what's amazing is that at the 1 process, 1 thread, it's actually writing faster than at the 8 process, 1 thread. So that is a fantastic number for the 1 process, 1 thread. About 2 megabytes per second slower on the 1 process, 1 thread for the read. So again, those numbers are perfectly fine. But what's really good here is the 32 process, 1 thread. We're getting 6.5 megabytes per second read. So if you want to do anything with like playing games or anything like that on mobile, that is a very fast number for small file sizes. It's about 0.92 for the write, which is not that fast, but as long as you're not writing the files to your phone, so if you're just playing the games and you want to be able to read it very fast, these are going to be the numbers that are important for you. And of course, for the 1 process, 1 thread, about 2.73, which is about normal, and 0.77 write. So these numbers right here are a little bit slow, but these numbers are perfectly fine. I would be more than happy at using this for storage for anything where I'm going to be doing like mobile gaming or anything like that. Now, out of curiosity, I just want to see if there's any kind of a bottleneck with the reader, and I'm just going to see if I get any different results with this. Okay, so we did actually get slightly better numbers using the ProGrade. So what that means is it's going to be perfectly fine if you just want to pull files off that card and put them on your computer. But what that does mean is that card will actually run even faster when you plug it directly into your phone. So we got 80 megabytes per second read on the 1 megabyte, and then even faster at 7.32 on the 32 process 1 thread at 4K file sizes. So that is a very impressive number. As far as microSD cards go, if I was going to be doing primarily small file sizes, this is probably the best card that you can find for that. So overall, very great card.